Wait, why am I a cheater?
Because you was buy a V-Bucks.
But how's that cheating? I buy the V-Buck.
Yeah. No, that's cheating. If you want the V-Bucks, no one's buy you.
That's all you learned.
No, I don't know. That's the easiest one.
YouTube, ready? I'll do it later. Let's go, let's go. Don't drop now, drop it at the end somewhere. Let's go, let's go, let's go. What? Let's go, dogs. Sure.
I have to change my settings. Hey, I'm level 60. Don't need to hype me up.
So just turn your mic down.
Okay.
Down, just turn it down. Out, now! Everyone land on this side, land on this side.
Which one? Which
Land
side?
the south side. I'm landing on the crane, you guys land.
Okay, so water side, okay. I won't make it, there's a huge mountain in my way.
Someone land here. Someone
I can't
land.
make it.
Right.
I have to land here, that's the only place that I can land.
No, Soros, you can make it.
No, look,
No,
see?
you can't.
See?
Hey, Soros can't make it.
I was doing my
I made it.
Bruh. Oh, blue tech.
We need to camp hard, yeah? Yeah. I thought that I'm dead. I accidentally made a mistake. But at least I got a big pot out of it. Could get me out? You're gonna get me out first, or? I made a mistake. I made such a dumb mistake. I'm in the water. Come to me quick. Benjamin. My man plays like a bot. Like an actual Fortnite AI. Jump. I got a big pot for myself, so that's chilling. I accidentally knocked myself down from there. I'm lagging so bad, bro. Look at my ping, it was 100 and something. I got a blue pump before.
Hey, this kid just...
Can I have my AR, mate? You can go get my blue pump. It's on top of that.
Ew, blue pump. Ew. It's this time chapter 2. Yeah, yuck.
That's what I was trying to pick up, and then I fell down. Okay. I say, are we alone? You guys alone?
I am.
Calm down. Yeah, maybe I'm turning your mic off because it's saying it's. I'm hearing it 3 times. Thanks. I can hear you in the first time. What? Oh. Why did you rage? Yeah.
Edit.
Well, that's your fault for breaking your. So then you threw your iPad.
You didn't need it for it.
Why? That's so dumb. Why would you break your thing? Break his iPad rather than yours? Didn't you think? You're like my older brother and my younger brother too. They break shit without even thinking.
What is thinking?
No, they just break everything. They call. We got zone, so don't worry about me. No, you drink the big pot. Zoros needs to find minis first. Oh, I got a normal chest. Thought it was a special, but it's not. So I got that last game. That's when I got the tactical shotgun. People
Which
find
color
it
tactical?
freaking purple. And then I killed one guy with it, and then he had a purple part.
Oh, should I invite Ian?
No, yeah, actually, yeah, we need to carry.
We need the carry, you don't.
I'm not that good. I'm like, I can know how to be smart.
But like, we have me and Benjamin skill based, so.
Yeah, I'm so to force yeah, inside here.
Hey, bro, can you get banned for smurfing?
Yes, you can.
Like perm
What
ban?
you do, basically. Yeah, you can get perm ban.
So
But
basically,
your
I
perm
should get
perm
banned.
ban account will get banned. Your Smurf account will. Don't worry. Let's go, guys. Circle. It's not. You can hear the legendary. Are you alright? Is it? I told you.
Hey, kid on me?
Probably a bot.
Legit, kid on me.
I see him. Nah. Don't care. What's his no scope? I'll rush out him no scope.
This random bot.
Throw here. There's one. And then carry the rest of the two. Come on, we got a boat. Everyone get on the boat. I told you to get on the boat. Ah, fine, hurry up, I'm coming back. Guys.
Nos. What are you doing?
I'm at. Freaking
Bad
trash,
loot.
bro. What an idiot. What a loot. Of course he goes right in. Thrush, get out. Get into zone, kid. I'll build up. I have 500 wood. That's why I said I'll build up. Well, build, edit then. If anyone acts like a complete bot, I'll kick him out. I don't even care. I'll do solo squads. No. If someone needs, like, it doesn't matter if you can't, if you're not that good at 90s or whatever. If you do something really stupid, like stay in the storm for a boat, I'll literally kick you out. Or like really
I
take it.
wonder who would do that.
Guys, listen, everybody better have at least 700 materials.
Bro, I'm on 82, 80.
So that's your fault. We got zone again, basically. Everyone stay around this area, don't go anywhere from here. The pond and the lodge. I have a harpoon gun, so I'm gonna just do some farming. I mean fishing.
Wait, what?
Ooh, I got a scar. I got scar.
Ha! Gold scar
Yeah,
first.
fish. Yeah, first fish.
Harpoon
can
must
do-
be OP in fishing. Wait, do you already have a gold scar?
Yeah, I just got it.
I mean, you already have a.
Avaz come Sarosh. We got the next 30 seconds for you guys to be on the, like 100 materials. Materials favor them, alright? Is that a harpoon gun, Sarosh? I think that's a harpoon gun.
I'm gonna go grab it.
That's a harpoon for you?
Where? Where?
That's another harpoon inside there, and right here. Benjamin, there's a harpoon for you in here. Take that and then we'll just do some fishing. You guys better have mats because we're going into zone. Those are so loud.
Yeah, I'm gonna turn my mic off.
Big pot for you. So drink the other minis. Binyamin, give my brother minis and then let him drink the big pot. We all got harpoon. That's cool. There's a bunch of trees here. We got zone and just keep farming trees. Right here. Binyamin, did you give my brother the mini? I mean, yeah. So take the big pot that's in the house.
Take it back. You gave me one too many.
I didn't. Nah. Oh, you gave Binyamin. Binyamin, you gave him too many minis. Just take one back.
Yeah, he took it. I gave it to him.
Remember, guys, get mats and then get to zone. I'm gonna try to find some more fish in this pot. I'm going into storm. I'm probably gonna end up solo spotting because none of you guys. I already got 7. I got 8.
Don't drink it.
Alright, see you guys. I'm waiting for you guys in here. I have a gold scar already and a flopper.
Hey, sniping. Where?
That was me. I exploded the tank.
Oh. Bro, I needed that for
Airdrop.
Yeah.
Enemies near it. Boat west. There's a lot of kids here. Enemies right in the airdrop pretty much.
Was that you?
Yes, I'm shooting a kid.
Oh, over
70
there.
headshot, I hit him 72 headshot. I'm
Yo,
one shot.
I don't know. I can't see where they are.
Right in front of me, north. I hit him 72 headshot though. I need your minis. Kid boys, get on me.
There's a kid on us.
Coming to you guys. The kid's on you, probably up. Oh, I see him.
Got him.
Boys, I need your help.
Yep. I see him.
Boys, get on me. I need the minis.
I don't have him.
I need a medkit.
I need sniper armor.
I split. Are you reviving? I got it. I'm gonna stop them from rushing.
No way! I see you.
Thanks. You have any sniper armor?
Yeah, I dropped 22 kid.
Oh, thanks.
We're all pretty weak.
Shanks has shield. I mean, Binyamin.
How? They're on the bottom. You guys gotta spray them. No, we're dead, bro. What happened, Mama? Go away.
What is this?
Rest in peace. Rest in
I'm able to play a
rest
rest
in
of
peace.
PS4.
Shut up, Soros. I got sprayed, bro. Binyamin, just try to vest him. What are you doing? Where are you? Try to see if you can get me. Quick. Quick. 8, 5, 4, 3, 2. Hurry up. Just come. Don't even build. Just come. 1 second. If you let go, we're dead. Those kids are right here. Those kids are right behind this wall. I'm gonna go to the right to the. Yep, they're coming. I'm gonna go right to the. You gotta do whatever you want. 75. Hit in 75. I got this kid with the hook. There's like one guy left. You got this, Benjamin. Mobile players for the win. No, you can't even get us back up. You're gonna have to rush. You're gonna have to rush. Literally your only choice. You can't wait him out. You have to. You can't do anything else. You have to rush him. Come on, you got this. Tag shotgun out. Shotgun, shotgun. He's behind you. Shotgun, shotgun, shotgun. You got this, yeah. Don't even worry about my card. Unless you want to get it. You can edit that ramp to get my card. Hurry up, mate. Just break the ramp then. Just break it. Use your hands to break it. Spray him. Quick, quick, get my card, get my card, you're an idiot. Right there, right there, right there. Get my scar for yourself. Why drop the fishing rod? There's no more water in the thing. How would you have a harpoon? Get this other guy's mask. Where's the person's
There's no
van?
reboot card either.
Van. Go to zone, bro. Look at the zone. I died because of this bot, bro. He was on 1 health. So I got the other kid down with a harpoon. Because I knew it'd have immunity for like a couple seconds. You gotta try to win this, turn into a 1v1. I'll make you party leader too. The guy in front of you. He's a bot, kill him. Nice. Reload, reload, reload. Minis instead of sniper, minis instead of sniper. You can just hide behind. No, that's a bad idea. Look at the storm. Stop hiding. Go into storm. Go into storm. You can't pick him up because it's spray mini. Because if you take a gun damage, you can actually win this. Source. There's actually a chance. You can carry it. Yeah, I know. Hopefully it's a 2v1v1 and then the 2v2 guy fights the 1v1. What are you doing? What do you have 999 mats build? Build a 1x1 type thing. Wait for the zone actually. Yeah, you got that. Get your metal out. Get your metal out. Metal. And build like 3 high. Higher. And then go 1 next. And go all the way down to the floor. 1 next. Make it like really strong. So you can't knock it down.
Wait, I'll go down?
Listen, nigga. Listen. You're gonna get sniped from up here. Just keep building up, like it's and fat and like yeah, right here. Build right here. Yeah, up quick. Metal. So it's strong. See, because we're gonna get connected. Down. 1 more. Yep. And then go next again. Go down on the floor again. Go down on the floor. One last time. Last time. Get on the floor. There's a guy right next to you. Build up on top of you. Build the pyramid right there. You're right here. That's what I said. See, you're gonna get sprayed. Don't worry, you're safe enough. They're breaking you down. Shotgun out on the floor. Go on the floor. Shotgun out.
Scar does the most damage. Scar out. What is that kid? He didn't even shoot.
Who cares? He has 9 health. No.
He didn't even shoot.
Yep.
Yeah.
So she'll
And he
listen
said
to
like,
us. We'll play one more with you and then we'll listen to us.
yeah. Fire spreading all around. My room is hard to read, but that's alright. Hush.
going? Where you going?
I don't know, I just dropped. Guess I'm going docks.
Oh, you're off.
You're on the other side of the map, Piz. Why didn't you land like Sweaty or Holly? Rush is gonna die, but he wants to play with his friends, that's why. I'm just gonna go hot drop. So I should've just waited. There's like so many kids on me. I'm gonna die, bro. I haven't even landed. And I see a kid. Kid, knocked one. So can I play with your friends? Yeah, can I or not? Knocked another one. What's his no scope? Never mind. Last guy. Benjamin, watch this. I have full squad wipe. One more guy left after this. What's his no scope? But I'm like the only guy in the kill feed.
Benjamin, your mom's calling you. Benjamin, your mom's calling you.
Guys, come on, we gotta meet. I got circle, you guys don't. You guys gotta get a boat and then like quickly make it. Yeah, Benjamin, I can hear her on the mic, she's waiting for you, she's calling you. Ah!
It's fire starting. G. Oh hell yeah! Where are you?
Does this nigga have to go?
Yeah.
You just want to play some. We'll play this as a duo, like Friday Fortnite, yeah?
Yeah,
And we'll
yeah.
play some different. Alright, let's play Friday Fortnite. I have 3-0 lead so far. But you can't just drive straight away. You have to also try to win, yeah? I only try to kill bots, Sarosh, yeah?
Bro, I can hear you.